Today we are at Pudunagaram Railway Station. This station lies on the Palakkad Pollachi railway line. After Palakkad Junction and Palakkad Town, Pudunagaram is the third railway station on this route of Southern Railways, Indian Railways Palakkad Division. The station has two very long platforms. Before the gauge conversion from meter gauge to broad gauge, this was a busy and vibrant station with at least four sets of trains halting here daily. But now the story is different. The station stands deserted. Only one train halts here, and that too at odd hours. Useless for most commuters. For the local population, there isn't a single convenient train to Pollachi or Palakkad. Years ago, when services were stopped for gauge conversion, railways promised restoration. Today, with both gauge conversion and electrification completed, that promise remains unfulfilled. Villages along this route now have just one option: crowded, accident prone buses. Every day, people struggle to reach their schools, offices, and workplaces. What we really need is a MEMU service between Palakkad Junction and Pollachi during peak morning and evening hours, stopping at all stations. This one step can transform lives. It will ease traffic on already congested roads, make commuting cheaper and safer for thousands of common people, and reduce the monthly financial burden of travel for working families. Pudunagaram and the entire Palakkad Pollachi line deserves this basic railway service. It's time for Indian Railways to keep its word and bring the trains back for the people. Here we see the name board of Pudunagaram Railway Station written in three languages: Malayalam, Hindi, and English. Malayalam, the regional language of Kerala, representing the local identity. Hindi, India's official national language, widely used in the north and central states. And English, the pan Indian link language, also an official union language connecting India with the rest of the world. Now we are standing at the northern end of the station, the side that leads towards the next stop, Palakkad Town Railway Station. And listen closely. You can hear the horns of the Chennai Palakkad Express running about 25 minutes late today, slowly making its approach.
Thank you for watching this video. Do consider subscribing to the channel for more level crossing and railway
That's
action
all
from
from us
Kerala
today.
and beyond.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye from Palakkad Roads and Rails.